This simple humidifier can defy gravity, or can it? Let's take a look. Plug her in here and turn it on. Would you look at that? That water looks like it's flowing upwards. But how is this possible? Well, this is a simple lighting frequency effect where it turns the light off and on in such a frequency that it looks like the water is actually traveling upwards to trick your eyes into thinking it actually is. Well, see, while it looks amazing, you actually turn it off, this is what the water's actually doing. How cool is that? It's a pretty neat effect and also humidifies your home. I think that'll go nicely on the shelf over here. Like and subscribe for more cool gadgets like this.